out, charge. Steady on the right.
We've got a heavy one here.
Okay, divert to pen 4.
Mouth clear, good dental pad, eyes bright, no sign of anemia, body score 3 out of 5. Recording.
Keep that fleece together. Let's move the next one in.
Okay, this lot looks good. Watch the edges on the left.
Keep them moving to the upper deck. We're clear up here. Send the next group.
All right, hold it there. Drop the ramp now.
Dock 3 is secure, requesting immediate inspection.
Liver presents normal color and texture. No signs of parasites or lesions. Proceeding to the heart and lungs assessment.
We need another case ready.
Bringing it up now. This stack is almost full.
Pallet 7 is ready for wrapping.
Good. Moving to station 2 for the next run.
All right, keep coming back slowly and hold it right there. Clear the dock now.
This facility ensures sustainable operations through advanced industrial water management and environmental compliance.
Yes, confirming the lamb shipment for Tuesday. We need the refrigerated truck by 0800 hours. The invoices are printing now.
Yes, this is our fresh ground lamb. It was prepared this morning.
Perfect, thank you.